To look straight? Ish. Maybe go
Close.
down. Maybe go down some more. Ooh, that's gritty. Is that the big one or small one? That's a small one, definitely. What's this one? Ooh, bottomed out. I think these are mixed. Nope. Nope, same one. So this set has 2 big guides, this set has 2 small guides. All different. Did you order oversized valve guides when you ordered the heads up?
I didn't. I got them like that.
And that's what you got. That means these are looser than these. So this is the rear head. Do you mean them purposely looser, or do you think that's just they don't know what they're doing that day?
I don't know. You can,
Is there a purpose behind that?
Nope. They did them wrong. Told you it was too high. Not even close. Now we're getting close.
There she is.
Yeah, that's valve guides are a little different between the sides, but close. It'd be nice if it was identical on both sides, but they never are. Or, yeah, not ever. They're never perfect usually, but sometimes they're really, really close. Most of the time they're off a little bit like this. So you can make a little adjustment. Adjustment. How's that look? Right there. About the same. Switch sides.
moved a lot.
Like that spot?
Looks pretty good to me.
How about that way? Whoa, there's a big difference there. We're not knocking that out easy.
Yeah.
We're not going to be able to correct for that one. One of these 2 guides is in wrong. Yep, that one's good.
Why is this one so far up?
Guide's different.
Gotcha.
Have to make an adjustment. That's too much of an error. This is a floating head. So it's a ball drive that can actually cut at an angle, but the problem is it still induces a concentrically error different, so it'll cut up more on one side than the other. So you want to make sure this is straight when you do it, so it cuts evenly. Even though the drive's this way, it'll still drive, but it induces an angle when you do that.
Gotcha.
So you still want to get them pretty close, because it will show up as being an error. It does show up. What's this here for? I'm not using that. Where'd you get that piece of crap from? Jeez. Look at this. What size is this?
Don't remember.
Stock size probably?
Stock size.
Or S&S size?
S&S size.
Probably because it's S&S.
It's going to be smaller than stock.
So Harley. Ooh, it's oversized. These just 8. It's 12.
So it's bigger.
Yeah, 0.
That's Harley. Oh, those are Harley one.
These are S&S. These are like Harley. They're 12. Usually they're 6. 6 to 8 for S&S. I don't know why S&S runs smaller valves on a big motor, but oh well. It sure isn't like you don't have room in there for that. Let's see, I think I'm gonna have to move these another position, but find out. All right, what do you got this set for? Do you know? Yeah, it's probably the correct one.
One way to find out.
That's right. Cut it. How do you find out?
Start to cut.
Mark it. Uh-oh. Sheen don't go over far enough.
She not going no more?
Told you need one more. Finger. That's why they're adjustable. Oh, works now.
Back in business.
Ooh, that's kind of cut way high. Goes up with this stuff. It's cutting way up here,
Mm-hmm.
which means it's going to make the valve smaller on the actual valve. It's weird. Thought this was cut for a bigger valve size in Harley, but right now it's not.
Didn't we get it right there? On the floor.
Doing my cutter. Pilot. Where?
Yeah.
What are you looking for?
My Gatorade, I put it on the floor.
Gatorade. Oh, you're mixing it up. From energy
H.
drinks to non-energy drink.
We gotta hydrate.
Look at that. My thing's broken now. Gets stress cracked. Overuse over the years. Have to get a new one now.
What are you looking at here exactly?
Where the valve is going to sit.
Mm.
Look at it here.
Hey babe,
See the pointer points to
what's that?
angle of the
We're
cutter.
Oh
doing,
yeah, there it is,
my
right there.
valve job right now on my heads.
That's pretty gnarly.
Setting fixture.
I know.
So this is set up for a more conservative job than what this head is made of. It's easiest the other way around. We're going to make a cut like we did before. Going to cut high. Let's see if we like it or not. Pretty hard to see. See, we're cutting away the seat, but we haven't even got to my seat yet. Over here we're in the seat. So it's in the thing, get a lap. See on this side here, cut the seat. Let's get an angle from here, you can see it. That's where I want it.
Good.
See, if I had it way out where they did, the seat was off the edge of the valve. See my lap mark? It's leaving just a little bit of extra. The light's off. Did you turn the light off? You can see better.
There it is.
See, that's where I want a little bit of extra, so when it pounds in, you got room to go up the valve a little bit further. So they had it cut way bigger than what that is. See, I'm still not even hitting the seat yet over here. See, I'm still cutting away the original seat.
Yeah.
See, I didn't cut that yet. I'm making it shorter. I'm moving it down, which moves it down the face. What we just laughed was on this other side, because over here it actually did. It actually cut on this side. It's a different concentricity. So I'm not repeating the same thing they had, even though you think it would be, because we haven't changed anything. Somebody's off. I think it's me or them.
The CNC machine they use?
I think they have a CNC machine for this.
What do they use?
Similar to this, I'm sure.
I'm sorry if I've insulted you, SMS. Just kidding.
I like how that noise changed. So I gotta keep sinking the valve down until I get a seat. See how my 45 is coming in, but I still haven't cut the inner angle yet. Till you get over on this side, and there's an inner angle. So I have to sink even further to catch it on this side. The easiest the other way around, I'm opening things up. This one I'm making everything smaller. Sure, I'll repeat it pretty good. I want to keep sinking it down, but it'd be nice if I had an inner angle someplace. It's just coming in now, the inner angle. Oop, too far. See how it's wider?
Gotcha.
See how the gray is? There's just a little sliver of a shiny mark just under the gray. Let's just see, so I made just enough to clean up the inner angle, just to catch an angle. That's where I quit. That's our low side. The high side was over here, cut a lot more metal on this side. Alright, this one get a recenter. We can do the same thing. Now if you put a little mark here, like this, you can see your mark. You can tell when you're cutting. If it hurries up and dries. Oh, then come back and cut the top angle. Oops. Forgot.
Same thing.
Yeah. Yeah, the inner angle is pretty deep. I'm actually sinking the valve quite a bit to get it to come in.
Well, since I'm recording, this is the same thing. We'll come back.